Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to make a super tasty and healthy dosa that's perfect for weight loss. It's a multigrain dosa and the best part is it's under 100 calories. Let's get started. First take a bowl and add half a cup of rice. Pour in 1 glass of water, cover the bowl and let it soak for an hour. Once soaked, drain the water and set the rice aside. In a blender, add the soaked rice. Now to boost the nutrition, add 1/3 cup of mung sprouts. For a creamy texture, toss in a spoonful of curd. Next, add 2 tablespoons of makki flour for the extra crunch. You can also use oats flour if you prefer. Add water to make a smooth paste. Blend everything until you get a nice consistent batter. Pour the batter into a bowl. Now add 1 tablespoon of semolina or rava. Mix it well. To spice things up, add a pinch of turmeric powder, some pink salt to taste, and half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix everything thoroughly. Heat a pan and lightly grease it with oil. Pour 2 spoons of batter onto the pan, spreading it thinly. Cover it for a minute. Open the lid, sprinkle a bit of oil to prevent sticking, then gently flip the dosa. Cook until it's crispy and golden brown. Meanwhile, I am cooking a simple veggie curry for a sambar. Saute some fresh veggies, add a tadka of spices and mix it all together. It's the perfect companion for a dosa. Now serve the crispy thin dosa with some fresh coconut chutney and our flavorful veggie curry. The multigrain dosa is not just low in calories but also crunchy, filling and incredibly tasty. Add it to your weight loss journey and enjoy every bite without guilt. Try this recipe and let me know how you liked it in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes.